In this video, we're going to cover how to add new keys to a Python dictionary. Now, if you only need to add a single key, easy peasy. Let me show you. I've got here an alphabet. We used it in another video where it's a word for each letter, and I've got it all the way through F for football, and I want to add golf at the key G. Well, you just do alphabet, these square brackets, little g, and then I equal golf. And then when you print it out, sure enough, it's added that new key to the dictionary. But wait, Will, I need to add more than one key. All right, well, Python has you covered. So if you've got a set of new keys, here I typed them out, H-I-J, and there's just alphabet.update new keys, and it tacks on all the new keys here, and you can see where it's added them in. But man, that dot updates, parentheses, that's a lot of typing. It's 9 characters. I don't want to do that. Well, in Python 3.9, they came out with the pipe as an update operator. So now it's as simple as pipe equal and then your new keys, and sure enough, it tacks them on. So that's it. I've covered the 3 simple ways to add keys in Python. Hit subscribe if you haven't already, and please hit like. It helps me build an audience. See you in the next video.